Today, Dad found a few unexpected surprises.
Yeah, getting too old for this.
Hi folks and welcome back to the channel. Today the driver's side wheel arch is given some TLC, so let's go. Dad starts off by removing the air hoses that bring fresh air into the cabin whilst you are driving. The door is unbolted so Dad can have better access to work upon any hidden surprises.
Wings aren't too bad inside. Just a little bit of surface rust. What I don't like is what I see up there. A little bit of rust, but we'll clean that off and see what it does it show.
Next, the door comes off.
Oh, I know what I forgot.
Back on it goes.
Yeah, don't forget to take that out or you really give yourself some work.
Second time lucky. And off it comes.
Well, these are white. Right, yeah. Looks like maybe clean all that off. Yeah, just superficial. This is where they jacked it up after I knocked it all out. When they did the balancing of the tyres, they went and jacked it up here again and then they went crazy. Anyhow, we're going to knock it all out.
What do you think, folks? Will there be rust or not?
This side looks fine. Just knock it out a bit more. He's pretty good. I'm not cutting into that.
Let's see the underneath. So far so good. No rust.
Oh, the dreaded rust on the other side. All original with the code number. I'm going to have to cut that out. Oh, that is not good. More dirt in it. Rust.
Well, another hole to patch up.
Well, it's clicked with me what this is from. It was probably the seal that went in there, which obviously didn't do its job because water got in there. Yeah, because there's a rubber door seal, and so it would have run down there into there, plumbing it. Anyhow, they're all new now.
Dad then welds and Q-rusts the hole. Another rust bites the dust. After brushing on some sealant and giving it a coat of primer, a coat of black stone chip is sprayed on.
Just a bit of sound insulation to replace what was there. It'll have to do.
Next, the top of the inside of the wheel arch is tackled.
Look, a chisel might be the good thing. I think we caught it in time. Well, I think we'll definitely get away with that. Clean it up a bit more. They usually rot like crazy there. It could be worse.
Since the inner wheel arch was in good condition compared to a Mini from the UK, any bit of surface rust was scraped, sanded and Q-rusted wherever needed. The surfaces are degreased for a coat of primer. It's looking much better. Dad then finishes off both wheel arches with black stone chip. I think we can agree it is now better protected from the elements compared to when it came out of the factory. The bonnet was unbolted to remove an unwanted past investment. I'll let Dad tell you the story.
Now's the job of getting rid of all this insulation material that did not work. The mini spares cheap one was no good. Well, cellulose got rid of the glue. Now we just got to sand it and then give it a coat of paint.
And that is it, folks. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything and it truly helps with the growth of this channel. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for the next one. Bye!
Well, just a bit of protection.